Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance Wallet. So in order to send your USDT from your Binance Wallet to your Binance Web3 wallet, it's quite easy. From the overview, scroll to your spot or funding, depending on where you have your cryptocurrency. Now, all you need to do is simply head to the withdrawal menu, click on withdraw, select the USDT token as the token to withdraw, click on send via crypto network. Now at the crypto network, take note of the networks that have the lowest withdrawal fees, like the Tron network, Tron. We have networks like AVAX, Chain, Optimism. So in this tutorial video, we're going to be working with the Optimism because of its low gas fees and the minimum withdrawal. All right, so once you've taken that into note, head back and click on Web3, which is at the top of your screen. This is the Web3 wallet powered by Trust Wallet. Once the wallet has opened up, simply click on the receive option. And there you can move your funds from the exchange to your Web3 wallet. So you can click on transfer in and simply move from your USDT, select the network you wish. Let's go with the Optimism, click on transfer. And you could simply transfer your USDT from here over to your Binance Web3 wallet. It's crazy. All you need to do is just enter an amount and click on withdraw and you're done. Now, a bit of advice. If you're going to be withdrawing your tokens from your Web3 wallet to your exchange or to any other wallet, you're going to need to cover your gas fees. So make sure you have some Optimism, like mainnet Optimism for transaction fees and gas fees as well. So guys, that's how you can simply send your USDT from your Binance exchange to your Binance Web3 wallet, from Binance to Binance. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.